Xiaomi unveiled the Redmi K80 series in China. The K80, K80 Pro and the Redmi K80 Pro Champion Edition arrive as the successors to the last year's K70 and K70 Pro. Redmi K80 is available in Obsidian Black, Snow White, Mountain Green, and Moonlight Blue. The Redmi K80 features a 6.67-inch TCL M9 OLED 2K resolution flat panel with 120Hz refresh rate and a peak brightness of 3200 nits. The device is powered by Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset with an octa-core CPU clocked up to 3.3 GHz. The phone runs on HyperOS 2. It comes with up to 16 GB LPDDR5X RAM along with up to 1 TB UFS 4.0 storage. The Redmi K80 features a triple rear camera setup, a 50MP Light Fusion 800 main camera, an 8MP ultra-wide-angle lens, and a 2MP macro sensor, a 20MP selfie camera. The Redmi K80 features a massive 6,550 mAh battery. It comes with 90W wired fast charging. Redmi K80 price starts 12 GB plus 256 GB for 2,499 yuan. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.